If you've got an old sweater at home that you don't wear anymore, don't toss it out. Turn the sleeves into something new. It's super practical and looks really cute. Cut the sleeves off along the seams, then open up the stitches on the sides. Do this for both sleeves and trim off any extra fabric. Next, cut one end of each sleeve into a half circle shape. Fold it in half and trim the other end so it matches perfectly. Now from the center, measure about 5 centimeters up, draw two angled lines to create a small triangle, and cut that piece out. Flip the fabric inside out and sew the opening closed. Do the same thing on both ends. Once both pieces are sewn, they should look something like this. Place the two pieces together with the right sides facing each other. Leave a small opening and sew all around the edges. If you don't have a sewing machine, hand stitching works just fine. Sweater fabric is soft and stretchy, perfect for making hats or neck warmers. After sewing, turn it right side out through the opening and close that little gap with an invisible stitch. Both ends should look clean and tidy. Now tuck one end into the other, style it however you like. You can wear either side facing out, add a cute little tag to make it even nicer. It fits both adults and kids. If you like it, go ahead and try making one yourself.